In this guide, we are going to talk about how to price your articles with Pricing Bot. Let's head to the Pricing Bot. The first step is to create a pricing program. This will let the bot know how you want your cards priced. You have the option to select a standard or advanced starting point. The advanced offers the capability to nest rules, which allows you to create complex program. In this video, we will use the standard one. The pricing program is a sequence of rows that contain rules and strategies. Each row can either have a pricing strategy or ignore. Now we are going to create a program from scratch and explain it in more detail. Let's say that I want to ignore all cards with the comment special. To begin with, I will create a rule that is based on comment and add it to the program, then post it to ignore. That means those articles with that comment won't be updated. Now we'll create another rule that will price all German cards in excellent condition. First, create a rule based on the German language. Next, click on the plus sign and add the condition rule to your program. At last, I will apply the pricing strategy that best fits my use case. Important thing to remember is that the pricing bot will always go from top to bottom. Once a card matches a rule, the corresponding strategy is applied. Cards that don't match are passed to the rule below, and so on. So keep in mind that the order of the rules can change which articles will belong under which row. The number above the arrow tells you how many articles fall under a given row. Click on the arrow to view all of them. When you've finished creating, exit the pricing program. Now let's set the max price decrease and test it. This will show you how the bot would update the inventory with a given pricing program, but won't make any actual changes. In this view, you can check the results from the test run. In my case, we can see how the pricing bot priced all my German cards in excellent condition. And if I have cards that include the comment special, they are not priced at all, and I can find them in the Ignored tab. When you are satisfied with the program, activate it, and starting next night, your stock is automatically updated. This guide covered the steps how to create a pricing program and how to price your stock with the pricing bot.